Reversal. Thanks to the moving average convergence divergence, a technical indicator that signals the beginning of a mid-term reversal, the long-awaited turnaround in the Shiba Inu may be closer than it has ever been. Following the indicator, traders and large investors reacted positively, purchasing millions of dollars worth of tokens immediately after the signal was received. This suggests a short-term reversal of the trend. It does not give any valuable information regarding the probability of fresh movement in the future. Additionally, on-chain technical and fundamental data, as well as market indicators, imply that Shiba Inu is presently in a stronger position than it was during its 70% decline period. Burn. According to Etherscan data, 8 separate addresses collectively transmitted a total of 706 million Shib to a null address, or in other words, they burnt the tokens they received. There were 8 transactions totaling 692,937,338 Shiba Inu tokens. More burn. On December 13, the total amount of coins in the Shib burn pot was 131,236,842 coins. Since then, it has increased by somewhat more than 1.5 times. Cooper, creator of Shibburner, stated that if 7,500 Shib holders paid $5 apiece for a ticket to the burn party, the team would be able to incinerate a total of 1 billion Shib tokens. According to the latest information, this did not occur, and the total number of tokens scheduled to be burned on Sunday is close to 210 million Shib. This is just 800 million shy of the original goal of $1 billion. The burn party will be broadcast live on YouTube on December 26 at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Cooper further said that if the Shib kept in the burning pot is transmitted to a non-existent address, the total amount of money burnt by the bigger entertainment team since October of this year would be 868,049,623, plus interest. It has been estimated that the total number of 41 million of Shib supply has been burned of the total supply of 1 quadrillion. Whales buying. As reported in a recent tweet by Whale Stats, the fourth largest Shib whale, called Light, purchased a total of 93,364,444 SLP, which is the equivalent of $29,815,687. The largest token stake in the whale's portfolio continues to be Shiba Inu, which accounts for 36.56% of the total. More whales buying. Cryptocurrency whales are buying Shiba Inu, driving the token's price over $0.00004. Following the release of Whale Stats data earlier today, it was discovered that an ETH whale had purchased approximately 50 billion Shib for a total of $2 million, pushing the value of Shib. Shiba Inu has gained 7.4% in the previous 24 hours and was trading at a market price of $0.0000038 USD, with a market capitalization of $21 billion. New prospects. Shiba Inu Shibarium will be launching soon, according to its Discord page. Those who trusted the project pre-swap were successful post-swap according to the site. A timeline is not needed when you trust the project. Many of the holders of Shib plan on holding the coin for the next 5 years and believe that Shiba Inu will continue to be good at bringing up new things, which is now being perceived as volatility, and good at making the right things up along the way. Price prediction. Shiba Inu broke over the Fibonacci resistance levels. Bulls will now need a prolonged rise with strong volumes in order to establish the possibility of a turnaround. Over the previous 3 days, bulls in Shib have reclaimed the critical $0.000035 support level that has been in place since September. An alternative support level was discovered at the $0.000029 mark, which was reached after a collapse of the altcoin. As a result, the price action had a significant increase and created an ascending expanding reversal pattern. Shib had a 36.34% increase from its low point on December 20th. The bears faced an instant roadblock at the lower trend line, which corresponded with the 200-day simple moving average. In the event of a further collapse from there, a testing ground would be found at the $0.000035 level. Shib is trading at $0.00038. The relative strength index fluctuated in the overbought level and seemed to favor the bulls. In addition, after a considerable period of time, the EMA ribbons turned to reflect a bullish edge. The lower highs displayed on the volume oscillator, on the other hand, suggested that buyers were still not in total command of the market. With the entire crypto market now on a downtrend, it looks like Shib could do the impossible and bounce back to massive gains. Binance and Coinbase are the most active exchanges to buy Shiba Inu with. It looks like the December 20th low is doing a major turnaround, and it is the best time now to get into this project. Shiba Inu network is growing a ton every day. New users buy and join the Shib army every day. Shiba had 1 million members owning its coin in November, and now according to Whale Stats it's almost 1.1 million. And the top 1,000 holders are holding over $1 billion of Shib. And now, Shib is adding more utility while it's trying to change its meme coin status. Early in 2021, decentralized Shiba Swap occurred and brought decentralized financial services, like staking and lending for Shib. Now this past few days Shitoshi states he is building a Shiba Inu metaverse called Ashiverse, based on Shiba Inu games. It will be based on Shibarium, a layer 2 blockchain solution built for Shiba Inu. CoinJar in Australia is listing Shiba Inu. It has made the announcement just 3 days ago. It lets users make payments with Shib. CoinJar said that it added the most exciting and innovative projects in cryptocurrency to its platform. With its CoinJar app, users can use Shib at merchants with MasterCard acceptance that accept Google Pay or Apple Pay. The CoinJar card is currently only available in Australia, but users will be able to use Shib starting now to pay for things like Christmas. CoinJar was formed in 2013 and is one of the longest running crypto exchanges. It's ranked the 96th highest exchange with a trading of over $21 million in the past 24 hours. We really want to look at the overall market conditions too while we are analyzing whether Shib is going to be in reversal now. Bitcoin is still hanging at the $50,000 mark, and Ethereum is at $4,000. Both of them have those big thresholds to cross and keep growing from. And these projects are relevant to whether Shiba Inu is going to see any progress in its price movement and growth. Mostly due to the fact that Shiba is an ERC20 coin and depends on Ethereum for its life. Shiba Inu is still taking over the world, its community is ablaze, every retailer is in this army. And according to CoinMarketCap.com, Shiba Inu is still ranking as the most searched coin the entire year of 2021. Even in doing the research for these videos, which I do a lot of, Shiba Inu is always, every day the #1 project searched, has the most hype and sentiment, even over Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops, Shiba Inu has never dropped from #1 in any of these categories. All of the predictors of this coin and the critics saying, well, it has a community, so what? That means nothing. It has gotten so much utility, so what? Means nothing. It's building its own metaverse, who cares? Well then what does matter? It's doing all of the things that are major and massive in the business world and in the metaverse and crypto gaming. So that would mean that no other project or business or game out there means anything either. So, it is not at all the Shib is going through volatility as much as it is that it's making massive moves and gains. That's why I always see Shib is going to be able to move into greater and greater progressions as time goes on. Each day there's a new partnership or something major the project keeps getting itself into. Yesterday its big announcement that it's going to partner with Google and WhatsApp. The final Christmas note for Shiba Inu lovers, Shib gained 20% in value over the previous week and is now trading at $0.000037 at the time of writing. In the previous 24 hours, it has decreased by 1%. We hope you and yours have a wonderful time this holiday season and that you've gotten value out of this video. If you have, smash the subscribe button. That's all on our end.